Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel or whatever one, I want you to actually click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on Telegram because we'll be putting out one or two informations there. We'll be putting the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on AUD USD. Now, before I go ahead, if you have been following this channel consistently, I told you guys that you should be careful around there. You should not sell around there. A lot of people are looking to sell here. Reason is that because this is the resistance level. You can see market reacted here, right? This is it also. Market rejected from this level. Market also rejected from this level. Also, market rejected from this level. A lot of traders are actually looking to take this sell here. But guess what? Liquidity is going to play out, thereby going to take them out. So basically, our advice is do not take that sell. This is a bad idea to actually say. If in case you want to do anything on AUD it is a buy. Now we will do top-down analysis on what to be expecting on AUD We will start from the higher time frame to the downward time frame. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon exclusive channel, whereby we'll be putting out mentorship, which we are now offering, then you can now go ahead and subscribe to it, because there we'll be teaching you some things like how to analyze charts the way I am analyzing it for you guys. You'll be taught how to do that, how to look at watch out for price action, key levels, the strategies, the best strategies that work on currency pairs and any other thing, psychology. If you trade gold, you trade the BTI, you trade Nasdaq 100, or you also trade currencies like this AUD or any other USD pair, or you trade AUD we will be taught on the fundamental aspect of it, on the technical aspect of it, on the sentimental aspect of it. We'll be taught on the inter market analysis and every other thing you need. You will be taught on the best indicator that works more on beats the commodities or the currencies. Everything you'll be taught, the chart pattern you should watch out for, the risk management, trade management, everything will be offered for just $100. So if you're interested, you go to the comment section and subscribe to the Patreon channel. And if in case you need a trade setup, high probability trade setup, trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, higher trade setup, higher probability trade setup is what we'll be sharing with you. If in case you are interested, then definitely you can join on the Patreon channel. Also subscribe to the trade trade setup, VIP trade setup, and you'll get access to those trade setup. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Now back to this our analysis on AUD Like I said before, right? Market is going to push up, thereby taking out everybody that is literally selling at this resistance level. And now to those of you that like trading without stop loss, you are very much going to blow your account on this if you don't use stop loss, because market is going to push more, is going to push higher, and guess what? Since you don't have stop loss, you are definitely going to blow your account up. Except you have stop loss, then you can come out with a limited losses. But whatever you would want to do on AUDS, you should look to take the buy. Like I said before, we will be looking at the seasonality, and we can see we are in the month of November, right? And you know that if you are a professional trader, you have been trading for long, you know that during the month of November and December is usually the bad month for the DXY or USD index. We tend to see during that month, dollar used to fall. Dollar usually fall within that month. And guess what? Any other place you are trading against, your dollar will go bullish. So since we are trading AUD against USD, then expect more bullish move on AUD USD. So still all comes down. Technical aspect says it will push up. Fundamental aspect also is saying that it will push up. Even on the seasonality aspect of this, it says it will push up. So this week we should be looking to take out this ice. A new ice will be forming, thereby pushing up, giving us a new higher ice. After that new higher ice, then wait for a pullback. The pullback will play out, and we will continue the movement to the upside on AUD till probably next year. We will continue this bullish move throughout November. Also, the bullish move will continue to December and January. I think within that early January or so,